Hey, lovely viewers, it's your interior design enthusiast, Sophia. Welcoming you back to our channel, where we explore the world of aesthetic bliss and trending home decor ideas. If you've been seeking the perfect blend of style and comfort, you're in the right place. In today's video, we will go through an array of jaw-dropping, trend-setting interior design home decor ideas that'll leave you inspired to transform your living space into a haven of chic elegance. I hope you will enjoy these trendy home decor ideas. All right, guys, we've taken you on a journey through the latest trends, offering you a comprehensive guide to elevating your living spaces. From chic minimalist designs to vibrant bohemian escapes, we've covered it all. But before we wrap up this design adventure, let me leave you with a thought. Life is a lot like interior design, isn't it? Just as we carefully choose elements to create a harmonious living space, we have the power to curate our lives. Choose the colors of joy, arrange the furniture of positive relationships, and let the light of gratitude brighten up every corner. The canvas is yours to paint, and your home is an extension of who you are. If you found inspiration in our trend-filled adventure, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration that'll make your heart skip a beat. Until next time, remember to surround yourself with what you love. I'm Sophia, signing off from our design sanctuary. Take care and keep creating your beautiful spaces.